This trick is almost the same as all the other ones I do, just a little bit different. So, again, deck of playing cards, and I might as well just, mix them up. Okay, and then I'll have the spectator come by, and then they'll tell me when to stop, and I'll go, stop! And I'll say, okay, you stop me at whatever card this is. I'll see it at the end of the video. And then I'll explain to them, this is a mentalism trick. So let's cut the cards. And then let's write on the back of this card, the card that they chose. Okay. That's my best artistic attempt. And the card they chose is this Ace of Spades. And then 9 times out of 10, I always get this trick wrong. And they say, no, it's not the Ace of Spades. And I tell them, all right, concentrate on your card. I will make it rise out of the deck. And then they concentrate, and then the card just starts to rise out of the deck just like that. And they're amazed.